G'day guys, here I am in SSW France. We are in Strasbourg. You know, this place is in the middle of Stuttgart, Luxembourg, Zurich, right there in the dead center. When we got the offers, we were really happy with the location. We went and bought a bottle of champagne and we needed some glasses. And Jill said, I got some glasses for my wedding. Maybe I could just duck home and get them. He brought them back and then he said, I haven't told my wife, so just be careful. We said, sure, no problems. Here we go. Oh, you idiot.
No, really.
Someone's not gonna get any wine. I'm so sorry. He just brought them from home. It is so funny. And then go and have a look at our new SSW France office. Cheers.
Hey guys, welcome to SSW Strasbourg. Come with me, I'll show you around our brand new renovated office. So as you go through that big front door, the first thing you'll see is the training area. So they can watch the TV, they can see what's going on stage. So our boardroom is the best place to sit with our clients and discuss our requirements. We've got a great view with a lot of natural light flowing in. And in fact, we've got our Australian CEO sitting there. The only man I know working on 3 laptops at a time. How are you doing, Adam? You enjoying your time in France?
Yes, what's not to love about the pretty city in France?
I cannot disagree. Now this is the quiet branch. This is where we sit and record our done videos and our video for the YouTube channel in general. It's really a plug-and-play system. When you come in, you just plug your USB and you've got a mic, light ring, everything ready to record. You also have nice acoustics and a natural light panel flowing from the top. And now, moving out of the quiet branch, we've got the front end of here. This is one of our standard work spaces with 3 workstations, standing desks, and double screens. And then as you move into the engine room, this is where people will sit when we do training, but we also have 3 workstations where people can come and work from. Here is the feature branch, but I'm gonna be quiet because these guys are actually working. So let's not stay too long here. The back end, this is actually where I live. My office is right here. And we also have Hugo over there. Hi Hugo, what you working on?
I'm actually building some docks for Yaksheva.
Is there a video coming on that?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm excited. All right, so this is a good example of our standard workstation. We've got the stand-up desk, 2 double monitors, 2 power plugs there, a USB-C, a USB-A, and also a wireless charger. And here, we also have those very fancy lights. And finally, over here, we've got the GitHub with 2 standard toilets and the server rack. And now the centerpiece of the office, the kitchen. I mean, we're French, right? We needed a big kitchen. So this one is fully furnished with a oven and a fridge, coffee machine, and all you'd need. We also have plushes for the different conferences, Tina, Yaksheva, and also plenty of merch to give away. Now, if we move to the last room of the office, this is the promised land. We currently have a lot of gears over there because we're just back from NDC Copenhagen and about to go to Lisbon for the next conference. But as you can see, the office is unoccupied at the moment. But we're hiring. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video tour of the SSW Strasbourg office. As you can see, this is a great place to work. So if you're interested, leave us a message and come join us.